Ew, what's the black stuff?
That's my steel wool.
I was gonna say, look, they're bats.
What do you think?
I don't know. I know I heard them.
I did too, I thought. In case I gotta run. There's still bat poop down there. There's bat poop up there that wasn't here this morning.
So that means they're there.
Question, so I want to take this off now.
Such a scaredy cat.
Do you hear something?
I hear birds.
I'm afraid to get up there.
How fast can you jump?
I swear I hear something in there. Or is that you?
It's not, I didn't make a noise. I hear birds, but...
No, I hear something flapping in there.
Yeah, it's not me. What's that?
I'm afraid to... I should do it a little straight and try to pop it out.
Oh boy. You're such a scaredy cat.
Did you do it?
Yeah, I'm not going to do that.
Something's in there.
I think we've already established that. Go get it. Go ahead. Bats can't hurt you. They're more afraid of you. That might not be true, actually, but... yeah.
I gotta get ready and practice too.
I don't think they're going to come out after you.
Yeah, what do you think's going to happen?
I don't know. Maybe they'll just stay back there because they're scared. Do you see all the bat poop falling?
Yeah. There it is, up on the wall, see it?
Oh my god!
Let's close this up.
Ew!
Come on, get in here.
Get in!
I want to close this door so I don't get in.
Oh my god! You're such a scaredy cat!
It's on the wall.
Yeah!
Now what do we do?
You have to go get them.